G'day guys, welcome back to Pete's Investing. It's September 30, last day of the month. This is the spot gold price update. You can see here on our daily chart, since our last update yesterday, the price has dropped further and broken through this support at 1872. It's a pretty weak signal so far. I'm going to delete that support, so it's pretty much open territory at the moment. There's no further support to talk about at the moment. It's broken down. I've drawn a Fibonacci range here between that high and that low. And you can see there it's broken past the 78% and approaching the 88% Fibonacci retracement of that wider Fibonacci range. We did have a bearish divergence here on the CCI versus the price. It broke down, hit our target back there in May on the daily. And if I blow up the CCI, you can see there that the CCI is still dropping off, and more recently, in the last couple of weeks, it's pretty strong decline on the commodity channel index as well. On the Stochastic, you can see there it's broken down from the overbought past the 70 mark and approaching the midpoint. So we've probably got a long way to go in terms of a further decline. On the hourly, again, we did draw this bullish divergence for that little period there up until that point, and that's now extended further. And now you wouldn't have entered that because it should have broken above and traded above this moving average. So what we're doing, we're extending the divergence, the bullish divergence on the CCI, and this on the hourly chart, and on versus the price. You can see there hasn't made any move to the upside yet. So we're going to delete that Fibonacci retracement, and we're going to delete that target. So we'll start drawing a target once it breaks above this moving average more convincingly. And for this to invalidate, we need to see the CCI break down below that area there. You can see here on the Stochastic as well, it's still breaking down, although there might be a bit of an upswing, but it's well in the oversold territory, but we may see a bit of a retrace to the upside in the near term. And also our oscillator down here, description of that can be found in the description below, the how to trade or how to set that up. That's starting to turn down as well. So again, a weakening sign after showing a bit of a bullish movement back here. So we might see further declines based on the hourly, the daily, which is showing a more strong bearish outlook. So to understand how to trade some of this in more detail, support us on the Patreon page where we look at weekly scans of stocks, currencies and commodities. Subscribe, like and share the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.